And let's just dive right in here and do the first thing that LaserBoy was really designed to do, and that is to take something that already exists and apply an effect to it. So we'll choose this frame, and this frame. You'll notice when I selected, I hit the space bar, and it lights up the background of this field of text right here. It indicates that it's selected. So these three frames are now selected. We're going to go N to apply. We're going to apply a frame effect on selected frames. So that would be 2. Here's a list of effects that we can call. So we're going to go ahead and call gears. And I don't want to save this as a file. I just want it to load right back into the memory. And there it is. This is what we just made simply by selecting 3 frames and calling on that effect. So that gives you an idea of what kinds of things can be done with effects. So we're going to open an ILD file, stay in the same directory, open in.ild again, replace the frame set, and we're back to where we started from. This is LaserBoy. And there's all kinds of effects. I mean, we can go in, apply to a single frame. We'll do the break effect. Again, we're not saving anything. And you see, now you got stars moving around in space. That's pretty cool. Okay, and this will work on any frame that you start with. It'll basically find the individual lit segments within the frame and move them independently of each other. There's also frame set effects where you can start off with a whole frame set, like the one we just made, and apply an effect on the whole thing. And now you have trails on the stars. Okay, so that's kind of cool.